our next session, I'm so thrilled and so happy to welcome Angelica. Angelica is our community manager at Snowflake. And it is not only about connecting data together, we also need to connect people together. Angelica, can you talk and describe a little bit about your role as community manager and what you are doing?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me here, Jacob, and inviting me to this meetup. Like you said, my name is Angelica, and I run the community here at Snowflake. My job is to help connect those most excited and interested in data with each other and help share the best practices around the product. So we actually have about an ecosystem of over 35,000 people in our community right now, full of data experts and Snowflake users who are really looking to share their knowledge with each other, exchange ideas, network and collaborate, and really just move the data industry forward together. One of our most exciting programs that we have in there is our Data Heroes program. And I hear we have 2 data heroes in the Nordics in your area that you might be able to share a little bit more about.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Angelica. I have two very special superheroes in my region. And that is, firstly, I would like to mention Therese, that has been a superhero coming from top of minds, helping on so many different customer situations in the Nordics, having a brain power twice a normal person, and also being super friendly and super engaged. She has written blogs, articles that are posted all over the internet that we also will link here below, how Snowflake is comparing to other data warehouse engines in the marketplace. So this is just a fantastical work from the community, and I am learning and growing every day when I read and study what Therese has written. So that is our first superhero, Angelica. The second superhero you will see yourself. That will be Manish. Manish is working at Rebtel Majority, and he will be live here on stage. And Manish has been such a workhorse at the community because he loves to share what he's doing, how he's working. He's taking the best ideas he has. He will talk about dbt and Snowflake integration. He's taking customer references. Everyone is seeking his advice in the community. So I think that really amounts to a good reward, and that is so happy, Angelica, that we have this superhero program. So in the background, you will see that we have 2 cartoons coming up, and these cartoons are our superhero representation that we will box in a nice frame and say, you know, from the bottom of our heart, thank you, Therese, and thank you, Manish, for all the hard work you are putting in. And you know, my personal reflection, I see if you agree, Angelica, is that the best ideas that we have as a company is no longer the ideas that we are developing ourselves, but that is the inspiration and the ideas that we get from our superheroes and customer base.
I completely agree. I work with the data heroes, the superheroes daily, and they are sending me some of the most exciting ideas that I have seen, whether it's talk shows or podcasts or hands-on labs and hackathons. And so, I think you really summed up really well with your data heroes in the Nordics with what it takes to be a hero. These are folks who are creating resources and engagement and networking opportunities with other people in the data space. And so it's really exciting to see. It makes my job incredibly easy. And just getting people to share the word about Snowflake is so exciting to witness.
Thanks so much, Angelica, to be part of our Nordics meetup. And next time, I really hope to bring you here in person. Thanks a lot for joining.